am Dr. Daniela Steyn. I am a family physician and a wellness expert, and I have a special interest in sports medicine and sports nutrition. I am an avid triathlon athlete. As you can see, I have been competing in triathlons for 20 years. I am proud to be representing Canada at the International Triathlon World Championships. I have helped many athletes improve their triathlon sport by optimizing their nutrition. Today, I want to share 5 tips for taking your game to the next level. Most importantly, track your hormonal cycle for females. This will help you to do speed workouts on days that your body is ready for it, and endurance workouts at a phase in your cycle when you will gain most from it. I cover everything you need to know about your cycle and how to eat and train accordingly in my detailed online course. Second, drink enough fluid. Your muscles will fatigue quicker when you are dehydrated. Third, replace your electrolytes. When we train, we sweat. In our sweat, we lose essential minerals our muscles need to function optimally. When we drink water only with training, we can develop muscle cramps, muscle weakness, and most importantly, hyponatremia, which can cause death. Step 4, replace your protein and glycogen stores within 30 minutes after your workout. If you don't do this, your body will break down your own muscle for protein, and this will negatively impact your next workout. Step 5, take a magnesium bisglycinate supplement before bedtime. Great athletes need great sleep. I've had incredible demand from female triathlon athletes for guidance on a diet specific to our female physiology and our female nutritional needs. I've put together a triathlon nutrition course with everything I teach my triathlon clients. This course will help you take your training and your health to the next level. You can buy this online course today and learn everything you need to know about nutrition, how to eat and train according to your menstrual cycle, avoid weight gain, and increase your bone health and muscle strength. We cover race day nutrition extensively. This course covers everything you need to know about supplements, fluid intake, and how to avoid common illnesses female triathlon athletes encounter. Purchase my female triathlon nutrition course today. There is a link in the description with a discount coupon code for a limited time only. Investing in yourself is the best thing you can do.